You believe your doctor was careless and caused you significant harm and injury. And now, nobody is willing to criticize your doctor. Why? Because he's a very powerful doctor, because he's extremely well respected. So how do you get a doctor to evaluate whether or not your doctor violated the basic standards of medical care? You want to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. Today I'm coming to you from beautiful Boulder, Colorado. I'm visiting my daughter. She's in her senior year of college, and I had a chance to shoot some video. This is by Boulder Creek. You can see the running water in the background. It's beautiful, and I've got ducks walking right by my feet. It's really cool. Now, I wanted to share a few moments with you just to tell you and help you understand how we get a doctor, an expert, to evaluate whether or not your own treating doctor violated the basic standards of medical care. One of the things that I ask you during our conversation is, by the way, has any doctor or any hospital staff criticized the care by the first doctor? And in many instances, the patient will tell me, no, nobody's criticized the care by the first doctor. So what do we do in that instance? Well, we have to obtain all of your medical records. Now I have to go through in detail, not just the medical records, but talk to you and find out from you exactly what it is that you think was done wrong and what injuries you suffered as a result of whatever the doctor did. Only then can I get a good sense of whether or not the doctor may have violated the basic standards of medical care. At that point, we have to go ahead and hire an outside medical expert, someone who's not located in the community where your doctor practices, someone who's board certified, who's well qualified, who knows exactly what type of treatment this is, who handles this type of medical care on a daily basis, and now we send that doctor the records. And after the doctor has an opportunity to review those medical records in detail, and now we discuss the treatment that you actually received. Doctor, tell me, are there any violations from the basic standards of medical care here? Yes or no? If there are, did those violations, those departures from good medical care, did that result in this patient suffering significant injury? Yes or no? So now I have to probe and learn from the doctor his opinions, his conclusions, and more importantly, why. So why do I share this great information here in Boulder, Colorado on a gorgeous day today? I do it just to give you an insight and an understanding into how these types of cases work. You know, in all likelihood, you're listening to the ducks. But more importantly, in all likelihood, you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you while the ducks squawk by. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.